Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all in your good health and enjoying all the lectures. We are in an arts class right now and we are going to make something that is related to that is related to the summers. So let's find out what we are going to make today. So yes, something related to summers, and that is really cute. We're going to make today, and you see what we're going to make today? We're going to make today glasses because we need glasses in summers, so we can cover our eyes, we can protect our eyes, we can even like put them over here when we don't need them, right? So we are going to make today glasses. Okay, so I'm going to fix my camera first and then I will show you. Okay, so we're going to make glasses today. We're going to need the glue. We will be needing the scissors. We will be needing the papers. Like I took colored papers. You see, these are all like, which I've already used paper. I've taken these two because these two have the space to make the um, glasses. So I took pink and I took a purple one. Then we will be needing these sticks if you want to add with, or maybe you don't need them. So, but I've made this because maybe we'll be needing them. Okay, so we have got these two sticks and these scissors, and we will be using this paper. This is a little hard paper, so maybe we'll be need to stick this on this paper. So we will be needing all these things. So we're going to start up, not with the glue, not with the scissors. We will have to start this with the pencil, right? So I have made the some shapes over here, like whatever shape you want. I have made the star shape over here, so that's up to you. You want to make it like round or any other shape. So I took like two shapes. I took this star shape and I have made this shape, right? This is the shape which looks even good. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to trace them, right? You are going to just trace them over here. Okay, now after tracing we will be needing these scissors because we need to cut these cutouts, right? So these are the pieces which will be on the eyes, right? So this is a little small, this is a little bigger one I have made. So we will start cutting them. So first of all, so I'm going to cut this first. Okay, as I always tell you that for cutting, please be safe. Take help from your elders. Don't do it all alone, and don't use this scissors. Use the plastic scissors, which is for the small kids. Okay, right. Okay, now this is the part which will be on the eyes, right? Okay, so we need to make the hole over here as well, so we will cut them as well. So I am just cutting it like this first, right? So now that will be easy for me to cut it inside like this. Okay, yes, now I have cut one eye and I'm going to cut the other one. So here you can even paste the cellophane paper, like any colored paper you want to, you can paste that as well, or you can just leave it like that. That's up to you, right? So I have cut that, right? So now this is the shape which we have of this. And now if we have the things which will make the glasses stand on our ears, so we'll have to make that as well. So I'm going to make that. I have traced it already, and now I am cutting it, so we will be able to fix it with the, yes, with the glasses. Okay, this, okay, and the second one is over here, so we are going to cut that as well. Okay, right. Okay, now we have this like this. We have these two which are going to paste over here like this, and we will be, no, not like this, like this. One side will be like this, and the other will be like this. Okay, now this is like so thin, so what I think is to paste it on a little thick paper. This paper is not going to show because we will be just pasting it on the paper. So we're going to take the clear glue. We will just put a little of the clear glue over here. I'm not using the hot glue because I don't think we need hot glue. So we are pasting the clear glue over here, and try that goes on all of the paper so it does not come out, it does not pop out, otherwise this will not look good. Okay, so we have covered the whole of the glasses. Okay, now we're going to paste them over here like this. Now we're going to press it a little. Okay, right, looks nice. Okay, now this will come like this, so we will put like this, and this is going to come like this. So we'll be putting it over here, and the second one over here like this, right? I hope I'm not doing any kind of mistake. No, I think I should put it like this. So this will go on this side, and if this goes on this side, okay, let me just first paste this. Okay, take the glue, okay, on all the corners I put the glue like this. This comes on this side, and if this comes on that side, this will be like this, I think, right? Okay, so I hope I'm not going to make a mistake. by pasting them wrong. I hope I'm not. Okay, so I am going to just clean my hands. Okay, right, so I have pasted them. Okay, now I will start cutting this portion. So let this get dried. So I am going to cut this first. Okay, put that aside. And now I'm going to cut this portion. You can further like put some kind of diamantes, any kind of paint, anything. If you like to put it on, you can do that as well. Otherwise, like you can even use it the way it is. That will even look very nice. Okay, so we have cut this part, and as we cut the other one, I think we should cut in the same way, so the whole is going to look nice. Okay, see, when the paper is hard, it is difficult for the small fingers to cut them. So you all have small fingers, so please, please, please be safe and don't use the pointed finger or pointed things and the scissors and the cutters all along. Please, that is not safe. I always tell you to. Okay, so we're done with this, and then we're going to do this. Okay, yeah, over here. I'm going to cut that. Okay, right. This is the same thing which I have cut that before, but that was like really thin. So I just thought of like pasting it on the paper, so that would be a little hard. See, it's not like fine. So you must put it under something which is a little heavy, so that is flattened away. And then I'm going to cut the pieces which are going to hold the sunglasses back on our ears. So I'm going to cut that. We can use them in like some other way as well, which I'm going to like just show you and tell you how can you use them. Okay, so we're cutting it like this. See, this is something which you cannot do it all alone, and you should not do this, right? I'm not going to recommend you to do this. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to okay, so we're almost done over here. Okay, we are done. Right, okay, now we have these three pieces which we're going to join and make a glass, make a sunglasses. Now what you can do is like you can just, if you have this stick, you can just paste the stick over here. If you just paste the stick over here, you can even use it as like your sunglasses. Let's see if we'll be needing the tape for that. So I'm just going to place it and show you how can we make that even. Okay, so we're going to take a little tape over here, I'm going to put it over here, put the tape over here. All right. Like this and like this. Okay, now I have put this stick like this, and now you can even use it this way, right? If you're going, this will be a party glasses. This can be used in the parties, or otherwise what you can do is you have these and you are going to just stick these over here like this. So that will become your sunglasses as well, right? You can staple it over here, or you can even use gum. So this is going to take a little more time for the glue, so I am just going to stick it with the tape over here. Now look at this. See, this is the way you can stick it with the tape, and then when you're going to place it like this will be at the back of your ear like this, right? So you can even hold it this way as well, one the stick over here, and the other side, if you don't want the stick, you can even put it over here like this, so that it's going to fix it. And you can put here the cellophane paper if you want to, the red or the yellow or the green or the transparent one, and you can like make it the way you want to. Okay, so you can give them very different shapes, whatever shapes you like, whatever shapes you want to give it to them, and that is going to be very, very fun making that. And you can, whenever you're going out, you can use your own handmade glasses wearing outside, and everybody will be so amused. Oh wow, how pretty sunglasses you have made. So this was our arts class, and I hope you have enjoyed that. I have enjoyed it a lot. I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have and you have. Till we see each other soon, inshallah, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.